Your saved folder on social media is likely a graveyard for recipes you will never actually make. You see a viral pasta dish, you tap that little bookmark icon, and then it vanishes into a digital void of thousands of other clips. This is the exact pain point that a new app called ReciMe is trying to solve. The hype around this thing is massive because it claims to turn those chaotic videos into structured instructions. The reality of using it day to day is a bit more complicated than the flashy ads suggest. The core technology is actually quite impressive. When you share a link from a video platform, the system uses artificial intelligence to strip away the music and the fluff. It leaves you with a clean list of ingredients and step-by-step directions. It even works on videos that have no text in the caption at all. Most other apps would just fail there. This one manages to watch the video and figure it out. There is also a feature for those of us with piles of old physical cookbooks. You can snap a photo of a page and the app digitizes it instantly. It turns those sauce-stained family secrets into searchable text. This part of the tool feels like a massive win for anyone trying to declutter their kitchen. However, the warm and fuzzy feeling starts to fade when you look at the restrictions. The free tier is essentially a very short demo. You get 5 imports total. Once you use those 5, the door slams shut. The app demands a subscription to keep going. We are talking about $60 for a full year. That breaks down to $5 every month. For a dedicated home chef, that might be a fair trade for the convenience. But the app still feels like it is in a beta stage in some ways. For example, the meal planner and the grocery list do not talk to each other automatically. You have to manually send each recipe over to your list. Once you get to the store, the list does not even group similar items together. If you are making 3 different dishes that call for eggs, you will see eggs listed 3 separate times on your screen. You will find yourself constantly scrolling up and down the aisles to make sure you didn't miss something. Recent updates have also brought some complaints about the accuracy of the artificial intelligence. Some users are reporting that the software is starting to miss key steps or ingredients that were clearly in the video. This is a huge red flag because the importer is the entire reason to use the app in the first place. Then there is the matter of your bank account. If you decide the app isn't for you and you delete it from your phone, the charges will keep coming. Deleting the icon does not cancel the service. You have to navigate deep into your account settings to stop the billing. Many people are reporting that even after trying to cancel, they are still seeing charges on their statements for years they didn't want. If you sign up for the 7-day trial, you have to provide your credit card info on day 1. If you forget to cancel before that week is up, you are locked in. If you are someone who constantly cooks from viral videos, the time you save might be worth the fee. Just be prepared to do some manual organizing and keep a very close eye on your subscription status. It is a powerful tool with some very sharp edges that still need some serious smoothing out.